What's the meaning of aubade? Aubade. Aubade.
Aubade. Aubade. An aubade is a type of poem that is typically written to be sung or performed in the morning. It usually features themes related to love and separation, and often involves a lover leaving their partner's bed at dawn. The word aubade comes from the French word for dawn, and the genre has its roots in medieval poetry. Today, aubades are still written and performed in various art forms, including literature, music, and dance, and they continue to explore themes of love, longing, and the passage of time.